Lions are one of the most powerful and iconic animals in the animal kingdom. Known as the king of the jungle, they live in prides, often led by one or two dominant males. Lions can weigh up to 500 pounds, with males displaying a distinctive mane. They are excellent hunters and work as a team to catch prey, typically hunting at night. Lions are known for their roar, which can be heard up to 5 miles away. Although they rest for about 20 hours daily, they remain alert to protect their territory. Native to Africa, lions play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Sadly, they are vulnerable to threats like habitat loss. Conservation efforts are vital for their survival.